Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys. Two cards actually. One card for your career situation, guys, or work situation, and one card for your relationship, guys. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, Leos. First card for your career, Treasure Island. Leos, with this card, the oracle message for you all, guys. So whatever positive thinking you are having in your life, that law of attraction. So when you think of something really positively with that deep intent within yourself, you make it manifest, guys. So maybe for some of you all, things are going in such a way beyond belief. So whatever decisions choices you are making is turning out to be really successful, guys. And you need to understand that the power of unfolding these miracles, you can call it, is within you, guys. That positive intention that you have, you are getting golden opportunities in your life, maybe some new ventures in your business or your work, and you are seeing that successful completion, and you are making you feel that you are making a good fortune out of it, guys. And at this time, at this fortunate time, Leos, you should not forget to share it with others, with the people in your life, your family, friends, whoever it is. So when you share that treasure or whatever you get now, it multiplies like magic, guys. So this is the time for you to maybe go in with collaboration in your business, some creative projects, whatever it is, guys. So this is a very good time. Your dreams and aspirations, whatever you have in your life, they are going to manifest, and it is a very auspicious and fortunate time for your business, guys. And maybe even in your work, things will go as planned, and you will be celebrating the success, guys. That is what I see here with this card. So abundance is waiting at your doorstep, so you just need to open it with that positive thinking. That is what I see here, guys. With this card, it just denotes that in your work situation, you're going to be extremely lucky, guys, in your career. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, Leos. Unfinished Symphony. So with this card, Leos, maybe in your relationship, you would maybe for some of you all, if you are in a separation from this person, guys, some unfinished business that you have, you may feel that you need that closure of that relationship. You want to get over that past, so you want to move on in your life, and it is really difficult when you have feelings for that person, and when you have things to say to that person. So if you didn't have that opportunity for that closure in your relationship, for yourself to express yourself, so you need to do that to yourself, guys. So you can write a letter or make a call to that person, make that conversation with them, what you feel and what you do, and make amends. Maybe accept things just as they are, and declare your feelings. If you cannot do that to that person directly, maybe to yourself, maybe you can just write out what you feel about that person and just let it go out of you, guys. Move on from that energy. So if you are clinging on to that negative things within you, you will not be able to find that psychological closure that you want, guys, and you will not move forward in your life. So you need to overcome all that. You need to get that clarity. So you need to do this, guys. Move on with your life. So only then you will be able to find some new beginning in your life. Or maybe if you are in some kind of arguments with this person, with this current person, you need to talk to them. If you have that deep affection for them and if you want to make this relationship work, you need to go forward with that open communication with this person and get it over with. If that person also feels the same way, you can forget the arguments, you can forget the quarrels that you both had, and you can come to an understanding and move forward with a happy life together with this person, guys. Or if this person is not meant to be, if you do not have that understanding with them, or if they do not share the same view like you, they do not want to build this relationship, they want to go separate ways, you can just happily say goodbye and move on with your life and close that chapter in that negative energy that you have, guys. So the past, whatever was reminding you of, you will overcome that. So we should not overthink about things, and we should not get distracted, guys. We need to close all that is negative today. So when we do that, we will be successful, guys, in our relationship. So when we get that clarity, we will know what to do, we will know the answers, we will get the answers whatever we were expecting, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance message for your Leos. So we need to get that clarity in our love situation, guys. So that is the reading, guys, Leos, for you all, and that is the oracle message for you all regarding work situation and your relationship. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.